everyone, welcome to today's vlog. Today I am going to be, I told you guys yesterday I didn't know what I was doing. Today I'm going to the beach, so I'm going to try and get some cool clips and maybe turn this into a pretty cool vlog. But I thought I'd film the intro just before I head off and leave. We are going to go whale watching and just see the beach and be at the beach for the day. We're not going to go swimming because it's the middle of winter and it'll be freezing, but yes, I'm really excited. We're going to my favourite beach and yeah, it should be a good day. So I hope you like this footage that I am going to insert, and I'll talk to you guys soon. So I've just gotten back now. It's around 3:30 I think, and I am really sore. I have a pretty big headache, so I need to go and rest. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna work on some like YouTube stuff. I might just listen to music and chill out for a little bit, but then my sister and I are gonna watch some Friends, and then I don't know, but I did get quite a bit of footage of like where we were, so I think it might turn out alright. We'll see what happens, but yeah, we have a sunroof in our car, so I like opened the sunroof and I had my camera sticking out, and so I think I got some good stuff. But it was an absolutely beautiful day. The water was so clear and blue and it was absolutely amazing, and we saw heaps of whales and it was really cool, and lunch was really good as well. and yeah, it was just a really good day. But as I said, I'm a little bit tired, so I'm gonna have a little rest and I'll talk to you guys soon. Guys, so instead of wearing my Paul Frank pajamas, I've put them in the wash, I am wearing these new pajamas, but I'm still wearing something that makes an appearance in a lot of my vlogs, and it is this dressing gown. So yeah, I don't know why I told you that, but anyway. So it's like 8 o'clock and I have my footage from a makeup tutorial up here, and I'm going to be editing that tonight. I'm also going to be editing this vlog so I can get it up ASAP. And yes, I've just lit my candle, and yeah, that's all I'm going to be doing tonight. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you did enjoy. Give it a big old thumbs up, and I will see you all tomorrow with another vlog. Bye guys!